Hello students, now you are learning 4th unit Coastal Regions and Islands of India. Now you are going to learn remaining part, that is life in the western coastal plains. Here Gujarat, Daman and Diu constitute the north of the western coastal plains. Here most of the people are traders and farmers. Wheat and cotton are the major crops grown in the region. Ahmedabad in Gujarat is known for its textile industry. Salt is made in coastal areas. Now you are learning about life in the western coastal plain. You can see in this picture that is this is what western coastal plain, isn't it? This is western coastal plain. Here this is about Diu and Daman. Here Diu and Daman, they constitute, we can found the north of the western coastal plains. Here most of the people traders and farmers. Here Diu Daman and this western coastal plain. Here this is what here most of the people can traders and farmers you can see, and the traders means here the business, they are business about exporting, importing some other crops, right? And like they growing such crops like wheat and cotton are the major crops grown in the region, right? What are they growing like wheat, cotton, major crops they can make business, that is traders and farmers. Most of the people they working in the fields, farmers and growing crops like wheat, cotton. These are the major crops grown in the western coastal plain. And Ahmedabad in Gujarat, Ahmedabad in Gujarat is known for its textile industry, isn't it? Textile industry means that is cloth industry. They can produce much more clothes in that industry in Ahmedabad, isn't it? And salt is made in coastal areas. Salt in that you can see here in these coastal areas they can made the salt. They help because of it is very near the ocean, so they can easily prepare the salt and we are using in food, isn't it? Next, Garba and Dandiya Ras dances are the famous folk dances of this region. Here Garba and Dandiya Ras dances. This is a Ras dances. They are the famous folk dance. Folk, it is a kind of a tribal people, a kind of dance, that is a folk dance. That is Garba and Dandiya. Like, and it is a dances of the famous dances of this region, means western coastal plains. And coconut is widely used in food along the Konkan and Malabar coasts. This is Konkan coast and Malabar coast. In these coastal areas, the people using most and growing coconut. So coconut is widely used in food along the Konkan and Malabar coast, isn't it? This is Konkan and Malabar coast. And coconut leaves are used for making ropes, brooms and boat tops. And also coconut, they are using the coconut leaves used for making ropes. They can prepare ropes. We can be using that ropes with the tying bags, no? And brooms. They're preparing brooms. It can help. We can use that brooms. We are sweeping the front end of the house, and boat tops. It will help the ropes to tying the boat tops. And fishing and farming are the main occupations of the people here. In this western coastal plain, fishing and farming are the main occupation. Most of the people they are fishing because of the ocean is very near, that they are living in coastal areas, so they have their own occupation, that is fishing. And there is a lot of people working in the fields, the farming, isn't it? So the most of the people they working in the fields, fishing and farming. Of this reason, the Konkan and Malabar coasts are also important industrial and commercial centers. That are sure that Konkan and Malabar coasts also there is an important industrial and commercial centers. Commercial crops we are growing like sugar cane, tobacco, all that. So there are some other people, some other state, one state to another state, people also coming and they export, import, they buying some things in that, and also there is a industrial is there. So like this. Also that western coastal plain we can see industrial, important industrial and commercial centers also in that we can see. Then the beautiful beaches and churches of Goa attract tourists from all over the world. Here, about the beautiful beaches. Yeah, for example, you can see in this picture here how it looks. That is beautiful. It is a Goa beach. No? Goa beach is bank of the ocean. This is a beautiful beach. Most of the people like very much to live, to spend some time on beach, isn't it? And so this such beaches they attract the tourists. Those are traveling throughout country and state. They can visiting in that place and they enjoying their life, isn't it? And here throughout the world, all over the world, people came to here and enjoy their life. And Karnataka has teak and sandalwood forests. In Karnataka, sandalwood forest you can see the teak and sandalwood is very valuable wood. You can see in the in Karnataka. In this Karnataka, this is our state Karnataka. Here, in that forest we can grow teak and sandalwood. Teak and sandalwood trees you can get from this forest. The hills on the Konkan coast reach up to the sea. Lighthouses built on the hills warn the ships about shallow water and rocks in water. Here, the hills on the Konkan coast. Hills on the Konkan coast that reach up to the sea. There is a lighthouse built on the hills warn the ships about the shallow waters. When, for example, if the fishermen they went to the fishing in the deep ocean, if they went to deep ocean, that time there is no any other directions to, and they returning back to their house. That time, that lighthouse can help them to reach their ocean. They can reach their own place. So you can see here lighthouse along the coast. So this lighthouse could help the fishermen to reach the bank of the ocean, isn't it? So they can easily understand that the shallow water means it is very deep water and rocks in water. If there is rocks in that water, they can easily understand that they're seeing this lighthouse. There is it is a we should go very slow. Like this, the lighthouse helped the fishermen to reach the bank of the ocean. The hills on the Konkan coast reach up the sea. Lighthouse built on the hills, so they can build the lighthouse to help the fishermen. Then the Malabar coast is famous for its lagoons and backwaters. It receives heavy rainfall. Spices like pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves are grown in abundance here. The people of Kerala are good craftspersons and work with coconut shells, wood, stone, and metal. Onam is their most important festival. Here, the Malabar coast is famous for its lagoons, means lakes or backwaters, and also you can see Malabar coast. We can see there is a famous lakes, and there is a backwaters, means water bodies. Also you can see it receives heavy rainfall, and also this The Malabar coast will get the heavy rainfall in that place. Then spicy, and also they can in that region the farmers growing like pepper, the spicy things. These are all spicy things like pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves are grown in the abundance here. Means a huge, most of the people they growing most they're growing much more in that spicy things. Then the people of Kerala are good craftsperson. They are well trained and skilled workers. That is a craftsperson, and they work with coconut shells. They can prepare a different types of things they can prepare, and wood, stone, and metal. They can prepare the different things. Then Onam is their most important festival. The Onam is a most important festival. They celebrate Onam festival as a huge grand scale. How we are celebrate the Ganesh Chaturthi huge grand scale like this. The Onam is the most important festival of the western coastal plain. The year Onam festival means it is a harvest festival. The people they celebrate this festival the time of when the crops came to harvest, means to cut the crop. That time the people celebrate very happily. So that is what Onam festival. Remaining part shall continue next video. Thank you.